We check if the E3 spotlights have fallen off. First, count whether there is falling off. So first, we take out the hexagon tool number 3. Then remove the front and rear screws from it. After the front screw is removed, then remove the 2 screws at the back of us. After removing the front and rear screws, and use a size 2.5 hex wrench, then remove the 2 screws in the middle. After the screw is taken out, pull the edge of our footpad up a little bit. Then the lampshade can be taken out. And you pull this thread out. Check if the thread falls off. Then twist the wire slightly to see if it falls off. If it doesn't fall off, let's take the wire here and stuff it back first. We'll put the decorative box back after we put it back. Tighten all the screws on it. Give it back the front and rear screws. It's the same later. Screw all the screws back. Then, after the screws are screwed, press the foot pads. Fit the foot pads. Next, see how to replace the spotlight. So, first of all, we take out the hex wrench, size 3, then remove the front screw. Remove the front 2 screws. Then remove the 2 screws at the back. Then unscrew the middle screw with a No. 2.5 hex wrench. That's all. You can take off our decorative box for it. After removing the cover, find the spotlight line. Then remove the hot melt adhesive from the spotlight line. Press here with your hand and unplug. There is hot melt adhesive on the spotlight, so remove it. Then we find a size 14 opening wrench. Then unscrew the screws on the spotlight. Remove the nut. After removing it, we find the needle. Then find the space inside the needle, the hole above. Then plug it in. Plug it in and press down. You can pull this needle out. Same here. Press down. Then you can pull it out. After removing the plug, take out the nut. Then take out the spotlights. Then take out our new spotlights. You have to put the spotlights in from the front first. Put the nut back on after wearing it in. After the screws are tightened, screw it in place with your hands. After screwing it in place, then use the No. 14 wrench we just removed to tighten this screw. Then, after the screws are tightened, take out the wiring port that was just removed. Then hold it like this. The top is the front. The left is black. The black one is inserted like this. If it can't be plugged in, poke it with a needle. Just poke it in place. Then read on the right. Just plug it in. Plug it in and connect our port. So that the port is connected. After connecting, let's put a little hot melt adhesive on this port. That's all. Hot melt adhesive. Then wrap the screw with hot melt glue. Then wait a few minutes. After the hot melt adhesive dries, put the cover back on. Then, after the hot melt dries, put the thread back. Then put the cover back on. Pay attention to the corresponding position. Then use our newly removed screws. Tighten the screws. After the front screws are tightened, then tighten the screw behind us. Use another wrench of size 2.5. Then screw back the 2 screws in the middle. After the screws are tightened, check if the cover is loose. Then pull the foot pad. Let the foot pad fit and press the corner of the foot pad. In this way, the spotlight replacement is completed.